The future won't reward intelligence. It will reward focus. Because in the next 10 years, AI will know almost everything. But very few humans will be able to think deeply. For most of history, knowledge was power. People spent years memorizing information. But now, something has changed. AI can already write essays, analyze data, generate code, summarize entire books in seconds. Knowledge is becoming cheap and abundant. When everyone has access to intelligence, knowledge alone stops being valuable. The advantage shifts somewhere else. At the same time, the world is becoming more distracting than ever. Every day, your brain is attacked by notifications, social media, endless scrolling, algorithmic content. These systems compete for one thing: your attention. The average person checks their phone hundreds of times per day, and something dangerous happens. Your brain slowly loses the ability to stay with one thought. In a distracted world, focus becomes a superpower. The people who win in the future will be those who can sit with a difficult idea, think deeply for hours, work without constant interruption, because deep thinking creates original ideas, and original ideas are something AI still struggles to replicate. Focus allows you to solve complex problems, build new systems, see patterns others miss. In the future, there will be two types of people: people controlled by algorithms and people who control their attention. One group consumes endlessly, the other group builds, and the difference between them is not intelligence. It is discipline over attention. In the next decade, intelligence will be everywhere, but focus will be rare, and the rarest skill always becomes the most valuable.